everyone, welcome to a new video of Sisters Creation. So after a long time we are again back with a new video. So today we are going to show you some pure khadi collection. So let's start.
Okay, so let's jump into the
It's
video.
our first display.
Okay, we are going with white. It's a very soothing color, perfectly
Very
blended.
attractive.
Very attractive, very soothing color it is. You can easily carry this as it is a very soothing, very lightweighted
Very
sari.
soft.
Very soft as well.
And the color is also very sweet.
The whole sari. This is pallu. This is the pallu
This
part
is the pallu part.
with a pom pom. Let me do it in a closure. It's a pom pom. Look at this threads and this combination. It's a very soothing white, goes with everything. And this part is known as Ganga Jamuna part. As you can see this, here it's pink and here is orange. So it's called as a Ganga Jamuna part. So this, okay, the whole sari goes like this.
This is the BP.
This is BP. Okay, running BP. The whole sari goes like this, very attractive, very soothing. You can easily carry to your office wear, party, anything. You can
Very
easily
stylish.
carry it. Yes, it's very stylish as well. It's perfectly for summer collection, as the white goes very well in this summer. You can easily carry it when you are in office and everything. It's very eye soothing, very lightweighted as well. You can easily afford it. So it's pocket friendly, lightweighted sari. Moving on to the next.
It's
This
our
is also
second
khadi.
display.
As today's episode or today's display is only for khadi, cotton khadi collection. So moving on to our next, that is also a cotton khadi with blue color.
The base is blue.
The body goes like this. Look at the work, look at those threads, perfectly blended, and it's very soothing, very lightweighted.
Again, it's very soft.
Very soft.
And summer friendly.
With this pink, it's not actually pink,
it's magenta.
It's magenta border. It's with magenta border. Okay, and the pallu goes like this. This is the pallu.
Part.
Very colorful, very attractive sari. You can easily wear this. Okay, so here also there is a display of pom pom. It's very nice sari. You can easily carry it. You can easily wear it. It will add another essence to your look. Moving on to our third
display.
It's a very sweet combination of cotton khadi. When you are a teenager, it's a very good for your college wear also. Like teenagers are very selective about saris. Like we teenagers want a very body hugging sari. So it is really a very body hugging. Look at this work. You can let me zoom it and look at this work. Very attractive, very attractive. Here little birds. Whole thing goes like this. Very sweet color, very body hugging as well. See, the whole sari goes like this. The whole sari goes like this with a mixture of white and pink, and it's very sweet.
It's a bird's motif.
Birds motif, birds and leaves motif all over the body goes like this. Okay, and here is a BP.
Yes.
Contrast BP it is.
It's the contrast BP.
It's a BP. Very attractive again, and a very sweetest color, I must say. It's very comfortable to wear as in summer. For this summer, it's very body hugging. So you can easily carry it. Okay, moving on to our next display, which is apparently same as the previous one, which is also a combination of royal blue and white, I may say. Yeah, royal blue and white. The whole over body goes like this. The whole over body goes like this. Yeah, here it is.
This is the base.
The whole body goes like this with bird motif, bird and leaves motif. Apparently both are same, like we show the previous one, that pink color. pink and white. Apparently this is also same with different color like royal blue and white.
It's royal blue.
So very
and
good
white.
combination. I'm holding this and really I must say it's very soft.
It's very soft and very comfortable, very attractive also.
Contrast BP.
Yeah, this is the contrast
BP. Okay. The border goes like this. This is the border. Let me zoom it. Here it is. If we put it like this, see. See. It will add another look to your whole body. It will add another look to your any event. So if you are wearing this, I must say you are like having one of those exclusive collection in your wardrobe as well. So yeah, moving on to the next
display,
which is also a khadi collection.
It's of a
khadi.
parrot green color.
Parrot
The base
green.
is parrot green.
Yeah, the base is parrot green. I'll show like this. Whole over body goes like this. The border is of deep pink color or magenta. It is deep pink.
It's pink.
Pink.
It's pink color.
Pink color.
And the base
And
is
the
parrot green.
Whole body goes like this.
Yes.
Parrot green with little thread motif. Like a triangular shape you may call it as. And
And
here
this is
is
the
a
pom-pom.
pom-pom. Here is a pom-pom. I must say that pom-pom is
Pom-pom is my favorite.
yeah, good. Here is BP. This is running BP.
Yeah.
Okay. So whole sari goes like this. If you are a teacher, if you are holding
Teacher,
any
doctor,
dignified
any
profession, this is perfect for you. I must say because this is very body hugging.
Very
Look
soft,
at
very
like this.
comfortable,
You can wear it
summer
like this.
friendly,
Summer
summer friendly.
Pocket friendly as well. We are
Yes.
saying it affordable in all ways. Okay. So I think this was our fifth. Let me show you
So our next display.
next display. Wow, it's also white.
It's also
White
very
is
soft.
white is favorite color. I must say all only because white is a very soothing color. Very soothing color. The color of peace. And like
Yeah.
wearing fish motif.
It's of a fish motif.
Fish motif. Let me show like this. The fish
Here you can
motif.
see the fish motif. See.
Okay. This is the pallu.
Pallu part.
This is the pallu.
And this is the pom-pom.
Middle portion is of fish motif. Like all over the sari is divided between. It's different actually. The previous we shown you. This one is different. This one is apparently different than all. This is like you can see it. Like there is a fish motif in the middle. Like holding sari like this. You can easily wear it like this. The whole sari will go like this. And here is the BP.
It's the contrast BP.
Very soothing yet
Very
very soft.
Again,
Khadi is
it's a khadi collection.
Khadi collection is very soft, very pocket friendly, very affordable.
And very summer
Moving
friendly
on
also.
to next, and this is the last collections of today's episode or today's video, which
It's
is a
a
mustard yellow. Mustard yellow.
Mustard
It is.
yellow.
It's very
And
very
very sweet color.
very sweet color, very bright color. I must
Yeah,
say.
very bright,
Very
and
bright
attractive.
color, attractive as well. You can wear it to any of your function, like if you are
So
having.
this is of box motif. As you can see.
This is also Ganga Jamuna par.
See.
You can see. This is also Ganga Jamuna par. See, look at the sari. The sari speaks for itself. Like it's really a very bright color. If you are going for any like day function at your office or anywhere, you can easily wear this.
Yes.
This is bright,
And very
affordable,
also.
comfortable, and very soothing as well. So you can easily carry it without any grudges. The sari
This is
speaks
the
for
base,
itself.
which is of mustard yellow.
Mustard yellow and little touch. Look at this thread. Little touch of red also. If you say about this Ikkat pattern. This is Ikkat pattern. Okay. And yes.
It's the BP.
It's BP.
Contrast BP.
Contrast BP. So this was apparently the last collection of today's episode, today's video. We will be back with our new video after a long time. We are here and we will again be back. And one good news, we will post
videos
regularly from now. So keep watching, keep
supporting, and if you like the video, then please like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe it.
Meeting to our next video. Bye.
Bye.